You will be amazed by this 2024 Nissan Frontier. This capable Frontier delivers impressive durability and a work ethic to match. Ready to tow, haul, or explore the trail, this rugged midsize pickup is an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, bed liner, backup camera, fog lamps. Add a little creature comfort to your workday when you're at the wheel of this Frontier. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.